In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Hubstaff. If you're onboarding a teammate or contractor, the fastest way to get them tracking time and appearing in your reports is to invite them directly from your organization's dashboard. First, open Hubstaff and log into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the correct organization if you manage more than one. From the dashboard, look to the left navigation and choose People. This is where you manage everyone in your workspace, so you'll be able to invite, remove, and adjust access from here. At the top of the People page, click Add Members. In the email field, type the work email address of the person you want to add. Double check spelling here. This is the address that will receive the invitation link, and a typo means they won't get it. Next, add a role. Roles control what the person can see and do once they join. For a standard teammate who just needs to track time and be part of assigned projects, select User. That keeps permissions simple and focused on day-to-day work. With the email in place and the role set to User, go ahead and click Send. Hubstaff will email an invitation to the address you entered. The person will accept the invite, set up their profile, and appear on your people list. Until they accept, you'll see them marked as pending. If they mention they didn't receive the message, ask them to check spam or promotions, and you can resend the invitation from the same people page. After they join, you can assign them to teams and projects and configure any time tracking settings your organization requires. Keeping their role as user helps maintain clear boundaries while still letting them track time accurately, log activity, and collaborate on assigned work. If you don't see the People option or the Add Members button, your account may not have permission to invite users. In that case, contact an organization owner to grant access or send the invite on your behalf. Also, if you work across multiple organizations in Hubstaff, always confirm you're inviting the person to the correct one before sending. And that's it. You logged in, went to People, clicked Add Members, entered the email, set the role to User, and sent the invite. Follow these steps each time you bring someone new on board, and you'll have them up and running in minutes, with the right access and a clean audit trail from day one.